Our automatic congestion prediction system can understand all the precursors that can cause traffic congestion. It can analyze using the existing cameras able to detect traffic light malfunction, unusually high illegal parking incidents, sudden slowdowns, and high traffic volume for each road section. Such information will be analyzed real-time and to predict if the congestion is about to happen. Both real-time data as well as the predictive data will be shown on a dynamic map notifying drivers routes to avoid. The system uses company's unique intuitive AI approach that doesn't require deep learning and expensive GPUs, saving both time and carbon footprint by 16 times. This makes the entire deployment cost-effective. Our congestion prediction system utilizes moving pan-tilt zoom PTZ cameras to extend the road's coverage by at least 4 times, making it the most economical solution to manage road traffic. Unlike traditional GPS that can easily get confused locating an object or vehicle correctly in a confined space such as within 5 meters of vicinity, our patented capability using PTZ camera can overcome these constraints, despite in bad weather. Able to pinpoint each object, vehicle's exact location accurately, less than 1 square meter, making tracking vehicle flow, its speed and volume very accurately. This camera-based GPS equivalent capability facilitates road traffic management, sharing the same camera infrastructure, providing vehicle tracking and incident detection timely and accurately. This is the first time such a system has been developed and used anywhere in the world. Our congestion prediction system doesn't just help manage roads. It's useful for places like construction sites, logistics centers, and transportation hubs, enhancing their daily vehicle access control and traffic monitoring activities smoothly. From small ideas, big achievements grow. WildFaces' congestion prediction system is not just about technology, it's about building smarter, better connected cities for everyone.